Want to grow fresh fruits at home? Fast? Here are 5 fast-growing fruit plants that you can easily grow in pots or small gardens. 1. Banana plant. Banana is one of the fastest-growing fruit plants. It grows well in pots or open space, loves sunlight, and gives fruit in just 9 to 12 months. 2. Papaya. Papaya grows quickly and starts giving fruit in less than a year. It grows best in warm, sunny spots and needs good drainage. 3. Strawberry. Strawberries grow fast in containers or hanging baskets. They need sunlight and regular water, and they start fruiting in just 2 to 3 months. 4. Guava. Amrood. Guava plants grow fast even in containers. They require pruning and full sunlight. You can expect fruit within 8 to 10 months if grown well. 5. Mulberry, shatoot. Mulberry grows quickly and produces fruit 2 to 3 times a year. It's easy to care for and grows well in both pots and open soil. These fruit plants grow fast, are easy to manage, and give you fresh homegrown harvests. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more home gardening tips.